It's the Erin Condren seasonal surprise box for winter 2022, which I wasn't going to buy a box, but I love winter and I couldn't resist. So the joy of brightening others' lives becomes the magic of the season. So here's some blue tissue paper, I like that they put some packing bubble wrap in there, even though there's probably really nothing breakable inside of here. All right, $20 off. I don't know if I'm excited about this or worried because I really shouldn't spend any money. Here we go, $20 off. And here's everything that we get inside. So we have some stickers, email, reminder, important, vacation, payday, today. So just word stickers. We have a notepad this week, my goal. Yep, they tear off pretty easy. Yeah, I was checking to see, there's nothing, I don't know why. I like it when there's some adhesive on the back. Not that I even really need it, but all right. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, and little bubbles, which I appreciate that they're here, but I'm such a big writer. I just don't have enough space. All right, believe something wonderful is about to happen. And these are new covers. I don't know why. These look really small. I could be just crazy, but compact planner folio, big picture planner. Let's see. Do I need this? Do I need another folio? I mean, it is cute and it will match the rest of my decor. So I guess I do need it for decoration, right? Let's see. Why can't I do this? There we go. And let's unzip this. Oh, nice. So there's a little notebook in here. You already have what it takes, and it's just lines. Oh, nope, I lie. It's not just lines. We have this month's intentions, this month's goal, progress I want to make, and then a bunch of blank pages. No, I shouldn't say a bunch, two. This month's intentions, this month's goals, 2 blank pages, and then this month's intentions. Okay, so it's like a monthly planner. And it also comes with its own stickers. So keep moving forward, plan on it, little dots. Is this washi paper? I think it's washi paper. All right, so this, I know you can't feel it, but it feels like it's faux leather, I'm guessing. But I do like the little stars and the circles. So that's very cute. And of course it zips up. So you could throw a bunch of stuff in there and not worry about losing it. And I think that might be it. Oh wait, there's one more thing. Pens. These are plastic pens. I don't know why. I'm not a fan of this like look and feel. It reminds me of those promo pens, that like swag stuff you get when you go to those expo halls. Oh, wait, it has color on it. So let's try this out. We'll use that piece of paper that Monday. Oh, is this those things where you need to take the plastic? I just don't understand this. I have to take the plastic off. Okay. Oh, it's just a ballpoint pen that's yellow. Why is this yellow? It's kind of like a burnt mustard color. All right, let's see, what color is this? Oh, I have to take off that little red stuff. This is blue. All right, so that matches the gold and the blue, I guess. Yeah, actually these aren't bad, even though I was complaining that I don't like plastic pens. I guess I'm just naturally a complainer. All right, so what did we get? We got 2 pens. I don't know why. Every time I'm like, is there anything more? There's nothing more. Okay, we got 2 pens. And then right after this, I have a video of an unboxing of a something else that was missing from the last seasonal surprise box. We have this folio and we have just this cover, which I think maybe I specified the wrong size. These are way too small for the size that I get. And we also got some stickers, and that's pretty much it. Let's just check this again. Yeah, there's not a lot in here, and I think maybe that's why they gave us the $20 off coupon. So that is everything inside of this month's box. Mystery unboxing, or kind of, it's the annual Erin Condren, I believe it's the rose gold reward for like just buying too much stuff from them. They reward you with more stuff. Or no, it's not a reward at all. It is simply a bag that was supposed to be in the last Erin seasonal surprise bag. It said it didn't have my, whatever thing, zipper pouch. So this is a zipper pouch that we waited forever for. I mean, it's cute. I don't know what was wrong with the other zipper pouches. Maybe the zippers didn't work, but I do like this, that there's like a small pouch and then a slightly larger pouch and then the master pouch over here. Gotta throw that away before the kitty eats that and dies. So, I mean, I like it. It's cute. Do I have any use for it though? I don't know if I do. Maybe I'll just hang it up or prop it up on my stand as a decoration, because it does go with my colors, the pink and the green.